Anything.
No, these cars are.
That's
Carlos. He's an idiot, dude.
I told his ass not to get fucking stuck
right
out in
here.
that shit.
Look at that. Look at that green and fucking purple.
Wow.
Hey, the lighting, that green and purple, different fucking colors. Watch. Look at the thing. That fucking thing over there blew up, like right where that's at.
Yeah,
That
see
blew
it?
up. And then over there, that one right there, look, it's on fire right there. A little bit. Oh my
Oh
god.
shit.
Holy shit. Get back.